Earlier this semester, we talked about the difference between within and between group designs. So we're going to talk about those now in a 2x2 for a 2x2 design. With a within group factorial design, remember that the participants receive the same, all the participants receive each condition. Okay, so in a 2x2 within groups factorial design, there's a single group receiving all 4 conditions. In an independent groups design, remember that both independent variables are studied independently. So in condition 1, we have 20 participants. In condition 2, we have another 20. In a 2x2 independent studies or independent groups factorial design, we have 4 groups or cells, each receiving 1 condition, also known as a between groups factorial. So we have this group of 12 and this group of 12 and this group of 12 and this group of 12. So each cell has independent participants. We need 48 total. In a mixed factorial design, one independent variable is manipulated as independent groups. And the other is manipulated within groups. So this is somewhere halfway in between a within groups design and a independent groups design in terms of number. Each group receives both conditions. So in this case, these participants both receive neutral words and aggression-related words. This group exposed to the plant photo received both neutral words and aggression-related words, or 24 total. Now, when we're interpreting factorial results, we usually, we would say when there's an interaction in your data, it is usually more important than any main effects you may find. So think about diapers. And do diapers interfere with learning to walk? And I'll post the podcast talking about the study on D2L for you. So what I'd like you to do is listen to the podcast, which is looking at under what conditions do babies learn to walk best. Think about what the independent variables and participant variables are, what their levels are, and what the dependent variable is. Think about the design, the nature of the design, and state your answer in this form: the number of levels of each variable. Make a table depicting the cells. Listen to the story again, filling in the variable or the value of the dependent variable for each cell, and then draw a line graph. Think about what the main effects and interactions are and describe them in your own words. Here are your data for a table. Draw it for yourself. And take care. Bye-bye.